Welcome to PrepareNext.com. We offer you job details. Today we are going to guide you step-by-step preparation process for TOEFL. The TOEFL, which is the test of English as a foreign language, is designed to determine a candidate English language proficiency. The TOEFL score measures one proficiency in listening, reading, speaking and writing. It measures the score between 80 and 120. TOEFL is administered by ETS and is offered in both paper-based and online format. The TOEFL can be taken by the people with no experience with English as a native language. More than 9,000 colleges, organizations, universities across 130 countries accept the TOEFL test. In 165 countries, 4,500 test centers administer the TOEFL. The factors you should know about TOEFL. Two basic TOEFL formats are available: TOEFL IBT and TOEFL PBT. There are 4 sections in each of the TOEFL version: reading, speaking, listening and writing. It takes about 4 hours to complete the test. Candidates can retake the TOEFL test as many times as they want. Sundays and Saturdays are usually the days for TOEFL test. A candidate may retake a test as many times as necessary. However, the test cannot be taken within 12 hours of the previous exam. What are the TOEFL IBT test content? The TOEFL IBT consists of 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking and writing. On the test, you will combine these 4 English communication skills such as answer a question by reading, listening and then speaking, respond to a question by listening and then speaking, answer a question by reading, listening and writing. The reading session is designed to assess your ability to read and understanding academic materials. The time limit is 54 to 72 minutes. There will be about 30 to 40 questions. You will read passages and answer questions. Understanding English conversation and lectures are tested in this section. You should focus on comprehension and pragmatics. The time limit is 41 to 57 minutes. There will be about 28 to 39 questions, and you can ask questions about the class discussion or lecture. The speaking section measures your ability to speak English effectively in academic settings. It includes 4 tasks that reflect real-life situations you might encounter in and out of the classroom. The time limit is 17 minutes. About 4 tasks will be assigned. Discuss a familiar topic and materials you need read or hear. The integrated writing assignment consists of reading a short passage and listening to a short lecture, then responding to what you have read and heard. The independent writing task requires the student to base an essay on their personal experience or opinions in response to specific topics. The time limit is 50 minutes. About 2 tasks will be assigned. You will need to read passage, listen to recording, then type a response. To sit for TOEFL 2021, candidates must register themselves. TOEFL Registration 2021 can be done in 4 different ways. There are through online, by mail, by phone or in person at the TOEFL Test Registration 2021 Center. There are many test centers available for TOEFL 2021 registration. Before doing that, candidate has to first decide the location where she or he will sit for the exam. This is so because of the availability of TOEFL 2021 test date depends on the availability of the test center. You can register for the TOEFL IBT test online on the TOEFL official website. Online registration closes 7 days before the test is conducted. Official site for registration www.ets.org, which will be given in the description box. It takes ETS 6 to 10 days to post your scores in ETS account after the test. Due to mandatory business restriction related to COVID-19, paper score report may be delayed. It is typical for ETS to send scores on paper within 1 to 2 weeks of the test. If you selected any institution during registration, your scores will be sent to them. You can schedule TOEFL IBT test whenever it is available in the test center in your ETS account. Remember that score validity lasts for 2 years, so make sure you factor that into your plans. Good luck. Thank you for watching this video. For more info, visit PrepareNext.com.